Legal dispute in MTNL v. Canara Bank, arbitration and non-signatory inclusion. In 1992, MTNL issued 17% non-cumulative secured redeemable bonds worth 425 crores rupees. Under a Memorandum of Understanding, MO, MTNL placed bonds valued at 200 crores rupees with Canara Bank Financial Services Limited, CANFINA, a wholly owned subsidiary of Canara Bank. Aggrieved, Canara Bank filed a writ petition challenging the cancellation and seeking restoration and registration of the bonds. Legal dispute in MTNL v. Canara Bank, arbitration and non-signatory inclusion. The Delhi High Court initially directed the Union of India to mediate the dispute, referencing the Supreme Court's decision in ONGC v. Commissioner of Central Excise. Despite attempts, the parties failed to formalize an arbitration agreement. The Supreme Court's decision in Electronics Corporation of India Limited v. Union of India, which overruled the ONGC judgment, led to the restoration of the writ petition. However, disputes arose regarding the inclusion of CANFINA in the arbitration, with the arbitrator ruling against its inclusion. MTNL challenged this decision, leading to the present appeal before the Supreme Court. Legal dispute in MTNL v. Canara Bank, arbitration and non-signatory inclusion. On 8 August 2019, the Supreme Court addressed two primary issues. Existence of a valid arbitration agreement. The court emphasized that an arbitration agreement need not be a formal document but can be inferred from the conduct and correspondence between parties. Given the parties' consent during court proceedings and their participation in appointing an arbitrator, the court concluded that a valid arbitration agreement existed. Legal dispute in MTNL v. Canara Bank, arbitration and non-signatory inclusion. Inclusion of CANFINA in arbitration, Group of Companies Doctrine. The court applied the Group of Companies Doctrine, which allows non-signatory entities within a corporate group to be bound by an arbitration agreement if their conduct indicates an intention to be bound. Considering CANFINA's integral role in the transactions and its participation in prior proceedings, the court held that CANFINA was a necessary party to the arbitration. Legal dispute in MTNL v. Canara Bank, arbitration and non-signatory inclusion. The Supreme Court directed that CANFINA be included in the ongoing arbitration proceedings, ensuring a comprehensive resolution of the dispute involving all relevant parties. This judgment underscores the Indian judiciary's recognition of the Group of Companies Doctrine, highlighting that non-signatory affiliates can be subjected to arbitration if their involvement in the contractual dealings reflects an intention to be bound by the arbitration agreement. It also illustrates the court's pragmatic approach in interpreting arbitration agreements, focusing on the parties' conduct and the substance of their interactions over formalistic requirements.